Gandang araw mga ka-ARK. Ito, meron ulit tayong Wadfo. More hand tools. Yan. Ngayon naman, meron tayong vice grip. 10 inches. So, itong video natin hindi sponsored. Yan, nabili natin 90 pesos dahil may discount coupon. Yan, pwede na rin. Budget friendly. So, hanggang dito na lang muna ang video natin, guys. Thanks for watching and please don't forget to like, comment, share, at subscribe. Ito po ang inyong ARK Fusion and have a nice day. Bye, guys.